Hello friends, today we discuss the aldehydes, ketones and the carboxylic acids. Aldehydes are the functional group CHO, ketones C double bond O and carboxylic acids COOH. What is meant by carbonyl compounds? The compounds in which containing carbon oxygen double bonds are called as carbonyl group. The general formula of the organic functional group R single bond C double bond O single bond R. O is the carbonyl oxygen and C is the carbonyl carbon. Both aldehydes and ketones containing carbon oxygen double bonds याच्यामध्ये बघा कार्बन आणि ऑक्सिजन याच्यामध्ये काय हा डबल बॉन्ड्स ते आर कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड्स. In aldehydes, carbonyl carbon is bonded at least one hydrogen apart from an alkyl or aryl groups. The functional group of aldehydes, therefore CHO, is called as formyl group or aldehydic carbonyl group. In other hand, in ketones, carbonyl carbon is bonded to टू अल्काइल ग्रुप्स. याच्यामध्ये बघा कार्बोनिल ग्रुप मध्ये दोन अल्काइल ग्रुप्स आहेत. इन टू अल्काइल ग्रुप्स इज कॉल्ड एज अल्काइल और अराइल ग्रुप्स. दे आर आइडेंटिकल और डिफरेंट इज कॉल्ड एज केटोनिक कार्बोनिल ग्रुप. द फंक्शनल ग्रुप ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स COOH is called a carboxylic group. And next point, classification of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. First, classification of aldehydes. Aldehydes are classified as aliphatic aldehydes and aromatic aldehydes. First, aliphatic aldehydes. The compound in which CHO group is attached directly to the sp3 carbon atom is saturated carbon atom are called as aliphatic aldehydes. Then the general formula R single bond C double bond OH, where R is the alkyl groups. For example, CH3 single bond C double bond OH, it is the name of acetaldehyde. Then the second example, CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CHO, it is the name of propanaldehyde. Then the second classification, aromatic aldehydes, the compounds in which CHO group is directly attached to the aromatic ring are called as aromatic aldehydes. In the for example, it is the name of benzaldehyde. It is the name of salicylaldehyde. Then the second classification of ketones. Ketones are classified as aliphatic ketones and aromatic ketones. First, aliphatic ketones. The compounds in which carbonyl group is attached to alkyl groups are called as aliphatic ketones. For example, R single bond C double bond O R dash. O is the oxo or ketonic carbonyl carbon, where R and R dash are the same or different. Aliphatic ketones are further classified as simple ketones and mixed ketones. First, simple ketones. The ketones in which both the alkyl groups are bonded to carbonyl carbons are called as simple ketones. Then the general formula R single bond C double bond O single bond R. याच्यामध्ये simple ketones मध्ये alkyl groups काय असणार आहे? सेम असणार आहे. Then for example CH3 single bond C double bond O single bond CH3. याच्यामध्ये हे alkyl groups आहेत ते काय सेम आहे. It is the name of dimethyl ketone or acetone. Then the second example C2H5 single bond C double bond O single bond C2H5. It is the name of diethyl ketone. In the second classification, mixed or unsymmetrical ketones. Mixed or unsymmetrical ketones, the ketones in which two alkyl groups bonded to carbonyl carbon are different are called as mixed or unsymmetrical ketones. For example, C2H5 single bond C double bond O single bond CH3. याच्यामध्ये R आणि R dash ते काय डिफरंट आहे. Then it is the name of ethyl methyl ketone. And second classification, aromatic ketones, the compounds in which both carbonyl group is attached to either aryl groups or one aryl groups or one alkyl groups are called as aromatic ketones. For example, it is the name of benzophenone. Then the second example, it is the name of acetophenone. And third classification of carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids further classified as aliphatic carboxylic acids and second aromatic carboxylic acids. First, aliphatic carboxylic acids. The organic compounds in which COH group is bonded to alkyl groups are called as aliphatic carboxylic acids or fatty acids. Then the general formula R single bond C double bond O single bond OH, where R is equal to H or alkyl groups. For example, CH3 single bond COOH. It is the name of acetic acid. And second example, CH3 single bond CH2 single bond COOH. It is the name of propionic acids. Depending on the number of carboxylic groups present, carboxylic acids are classified as mono, di, tri carboxylic acids. Mono means 1, di means 2, tri means 3. For example, CH3 single bond CH2 सिंगल बॉन्ड COOH. एक्झाम्पल मध्ये कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिडचं तिथे 1 याचं नेम होतं अ मोनो कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिडचं और अ प्रोपॅनॉइक ऍसिडचं. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल COOH C सिंगल बॉन्ड COH याच्यामध्ये 2 कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड प्रेझेंट आहे. याचं नेम होतं अ डायकार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिडचं और अ ऑक्सॅलिक ऍसिडचं. हे एक्झाम्पल मध्ये 3 कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड्स आहेत. याचं नेम होतं अ ट्राय कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड्स. इन द सेकंड क्लासिफिकेशन aromatic carboxylic acids, these are the compounds in which one or more carboxylic groups COH is directly attached to the compounds. For example, त्यामध्ये बेन्झीन रिंग आहे. बेन्झीनला अटॅच कोणता ग्रुप आहे तर कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड्स. इट इज द नेम ऑफ बेन्झोइक ऍसिड. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल इट इज द नेम ऑफ phthalic acids. Thank you.